Good morning, class 10. As we have done the proving of basic proportionality theorem and some geometrical questions related to it. In continuation of that, now we are solving question number 6 of exercise 6.2. It is given in this question that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR. Then we have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So in the first case, AB is parallel to PQ. So for that, triangle is POQ. Now it is given that AB is parallel to PQ. So we can apply Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, which is OA upon AP equals to OB upon BQ. Equation number 1, using basic proportionality theorem. Similarly, it is given that AC is parallel to PR. So for that, triangle is POR. So since AC is parallel to PR, again we will apply basic proportionality theorem. OA upon AP equals to OC upon CI. Equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, you can see in both the equations left hand side are equal. So right hand side is also equal. So we conclude that from equation 1 and 2, OB upon BQ equals to OC upon CR. Now OB upon BQ equals to OC upon CR. So third triangle is in triangle QOR. We have proved that OB upon BQ equals to OC upon CR. So which implies that therefore line BC is parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So BC is parallel to the QR. So question number 7 of exercise 6.2 is prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. So suppose D is midpoint of AB parallel to another side. So DE is parallel to BC. Then it will bisect the third side. So third side is AC. So E will be the midpoint of AC that we have to prove. So it is given that D is midpoint. So AD equals to DB. DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove that it will bisect the third side. It means AE equals to EC or E is the midpoint of AC. This we have to prove. Now in triangle ABC, since it is given that DE is parallel to BC, so we can apply basic proportionality theorem, which is AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC by using basic proportionality theorem. Now in the question it is given that AD equals to DB. So in place of AD you can write DB, or in place of DB we can write AD equals to AE upon EC. This will cancel out each other. So 1 upon 1 equals to AE upon EC, or after cross multiplication we will get AE equals to EC. This we have to prove, or we can say E is the midpoint of AC. Ninth question, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at O. AC and BD are its diagonals which intersect each other at O. So we have to show that AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, it is given that line AB is parallel to DC. So angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. These are alternate angles. If line is parallel, then alternate angles are equal. Now, if two angles are equal, so obviously third angle is vertically opposite angle, that will also be equal. So we can say that, which implies that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by angle-angle property. Now, if triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Since angle 1 equals to angle 2, so corresponding side of AO is CO. So, AO upon CO equals to BO upon DO. Since angle 3 equals to angle 4, so corresponding sides of BO is DO. Now, if we interchange the places of these two, CO to BO, so we can say AO upon BO equals to, this will come here, CO upon DO. This we have to prove. Question number 10, which is just the converse of question number 9. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O, such that AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. To show that ABCD is a trapezium, we have to prove that one pair of opposite side is parallel in quadrilateral ABCD. So we can say that we have to prove that AB is parallel to DC. Let us start proof. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, it is given that AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO and angle 1 equals to angle 2, vertically opposite angles, which implies triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Why? Because if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle, that is angle 1 equals to angle 2, and the sides including these angles are proportional, that is AO upon BO, which makes angle 2, equals to CO upon DO, which makes angle 1, then the two triangles are similar. Now, if these two triangles are similar, so we can say that angle 3 equals to angle 4, but these are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal only when lines are parallel. So AB is parallel to DC, which proved that ABCD is a trapezium. Homework for today is you have to complete exercise 6.2, question number 6 to question number 10. Thank you, children.